Hey, welcome back, guys. Another Nick Dog video. Appreciate you tuning back in. You watched the previous one, you guys know we're at Frank. Whoa, that's not neutral. We're at Frank Ryan's right now, and it's raining pretty good. But we're gonna make the best of it. You know, they're called dirt bikes. I mean, they're not called mud bikes, but hey, dirt turns into mud, so if you ain't trying to, look at that. You ain't trying to ride in the rain, and I don't know, man. I guess the only time you would do something like that is if you, like, already been riding a lot, you know? I haven't ridden in a while, so rain or shine, we on the grind. Woo, what's this? Oh, this is sweet. Look at this hero dirt right here. Oh. Sweetness. Look at all these little cuts, dude. Sweet, dude. Man, who said a 250 couldn't tractor like that, dude? We're just like literally putting up that hill, but we're just full on board traction. Had no spinach right there, fellas. That was awesome. I kind of want to go do that again. That one. Dude, I forgot my riding underwears. So I don't know if you guys use that, but I usually use compression shorts, and they're a lot better than boxers. Boxers right up your ass, and that's what's going on right now. I just love being on my bike, dude. It's just no other thing like it. Oh! That was a sketch. I know where that goes. We're gonna go back into here. Neutral shot right before hill climb, never good. Never good. Wow. Oh, I got double. Still double. Red. action, especially when it's raining. Jot that down. Note that. And the handy dandy notebook. Watch the previous video, check it out. Explain when I bought a house, whatever. And it's awesome having a garage, dude. Woo! That's a creek action. Like I said, it's awesome having a garage. I mean, I literally grew up pretty much an apartment, you know. Shout out to my pops, always keeping a roof over our heads no matter what. When I got this bike, 06, we were living in an apartment and had nowhere to put it. My mom was down, dude, rest in peace. She was like, you know what, son? And my other brother had his bike too. She's like, we never eat at the kitchen table anyways. Move that sucker out of the kitchen and you guys park them right there. I was like, yeah. And we had the bike literally there for like, I don't know, year, 2 years, we was just ripping, pulling them out. Pulling them out and ripping them, putting them back, and then I moved, and then I got storage. Then I had it in the storage and blah blah blah, and now it's whack. Never as hard to work on it. That looks sketchy. Especially a month off the bike. Probably could have ripped across this. Went around, went over there, but it looks like it just turns around. Yeah. Then now I bought a house, and now I have a garage, and I just sit there and, you know, drink my cerveza, stare at my bike. Finally I get to ride it, and then when I get home, you know, if I want, I just roll out the hose and wash it. It's just a whole different feeling of like freedom. You know what I mean? I don't know, I'm trying to get across that, but I'm a little scared like a wee-wee. Just don't want to tip over. Don't want to really dab my foot down in the water either and get it wet. One month later. Yeah, he's got told you. Just a little dead end right here, unless you go up that, but that's just hairy. Take my goggles off because I got tinted lens and you can't see worth the crap. Check this out. Alright guys, gonna end it for this vid. I'm gonna chill there for a bit, get a couple shots, look sick, and we'll continue. I don't know about going up that, but we might go back to everything we just did. Alright guys, peace. Share this video, hit that like button, subscribe. Thanks.